We've heard concerns lately about how self-defense laws work in Missouri. These laws can lead to outcomes that feel morally wrong, especially when someone is killed and the person responsible is not charged with murder. But it's important to understand that prosecutors don't get to charge based off of feelings or assumptions. And under prosecution standards, we are required to decline charges when our review of the evidence indicates that we do not have the evidence to support our charge, including evidence to overcome any claim of self-defense. Our job is to apply Missouri law based only on the evidence we can prove beyond a reasonable doubt. When self-defense is claimed, we bear the burden of proving that it wasn't self-defense. That lies with us. That includes proving who the initial aggressor was, the person who started the conflict, threw the first punch, or escalated the situation. If we don't have solid evidence like video footage, credible witness statements, or physical proof, we can't move forward with charges, even if we think we really know what happened. Under Missouri law, someone can use deadly force if they reasonably believe it's necessary to protect themselves or others from serious harm, unless they were the initial aggressor. And understand your ground, there's no legal duty to retreat if you're somewhere you're allowed to be. For example, if a person is sucker punched repeatedly in a public place or other place they're allowed to be, Missouri law says that they don't have to run away or go to another location. They can defend themselves, and the law protects that right. Of course, not every situation is that clear. If someone defends themselves but then continues using force after the threat has stopped, that may no longer be self-defense. In those cases, we look at whether we can charge voluntary manslaughter or not. Or if we have evidence that the person made a premeditated decision to kill the person without being provoked, we may charge first-degree murder. We know these decisions are hard to understand, especially when lives are lost. But our charges aren't a reflection of how much we value someone's life. They reflect what the law allows and what we can prove with the evidence that we have. So the next time you're upset about a charging decision, ask, do I have all of the facts? Do I know the law? And what can actually be proven beyond a reasonable doubt? Because in the end, misinformation and assumptions don't help families or our community heal. The truth does.